Dear students, welcome to my class. So in my last video, I had discussed the chapter nominalization. I discussed the first page of this chapter. So today I shall be discussing the exercises of this chapter. You will get it in page number 145. I have already solved the exercises. So I shall read out the sentences and explain as well. So use appropriate suffixes with the words in the brackets and use them to fill in the blanks. So in my earlier video, I had already discussed what is nominalization, how is it formed, and other details of nominalization. So the first question is, I need some dash inform from you. See here, from inform came information. I need some information from you. With inform, ation is added, which is a suffix. Next is, we are going on a vacation to Dubai. Vacate. See, vacate, ion is added, which is a noun. Ion is a suffix. He gets a lot of enjoyment from football. From enjoy came enjoyment. Ment is a suffix. This discovery is a breakthrough. Breakthrough means sudden development. Suddenly means discovery was sudden. It happened suddenly. This discovery is a breakthrough. From discover, when y is added, it becomes discovery. Y is a suffix added to discover. The transportation by bus to our hotel was comfortable. From transport, it became transportation. I want to be a scientist when I am older. From science, see here, TIST is a suffix. I want to be a scientist when I am older. Next is, my history teacher has a wide knowledge of past events. From know, when LEDGE is a suffix added to know, it became knowledge. My history teacher has a wide knowledge of past events. Next is, the entertainer was dark and scary. Scary means fearful. So enter, the suffix added is TAINER, the entertainer. Your dash always gets you to trouble. Stupid, from stupid came stupidity. His dash careless caused the accident. It will be carelessness. Any double S is a suffix. The police conducted an dash of the robbery. From investigate came investigation. ATION is a suffix added to investigate. Up to T. ION is a suffix added to investigate, which became investigation. Next is, you need to give a good dash. Investigation means to search, to analyze something. The police conducted an investigation, means questioning. They are questioning about the robbery that happened. Means an inquiry. You need to give a good dash during the debate. Performance, from perform, performance. The film star made a rare dash at the venue. Venue means it is a specific place, a specific location. So the film star made a rare means sometimes. Appearance means he sometimes appears at that particular place. Ranjit made a dash of going to America for further studies. Decide came decision. Ranjit made a decision of going to America for further studies. Next is, the gangster finally made a confession about the theft of the diamond. From confess came confession. SION is the suffix added to confess. So these exercises I had already given you and you had already written it and I checked it also. So the chapter of nominalization ends here. So in my next video I shall explain another new chapter. So thank you and have a nice day.